Kingston Maurward ploughing match at Dorchester. I'm Michael Simmons.
I'm Peter Simmons, and he's my younger brother. He's always in trouble, he is.
I'll get away the camera.
Yeah, we always competition about ploughing.
So who's going to win? Oh.
We don't know. We don't know. We don't know.
No, it's Michael, I expect.
Sometimes the judges, you just can't tell what the judges do. No.
And are you in the same class?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Vintage hydraulics, yeah. I'm Simon Mills. I'm one of the helpers that helps run the Kingston Maurward Association ploughing match. We're very kindly allowed to come to Kingston Maurward College, just outside of Dorchester. We got 7 classes today. Unfortunately, one of them you won't have seen, that was a horticulture class, but there was one entry, and that chap's unfortunately got bronchitis. But we have a college student reversible class, we have 2 vintage classes, and then a 3-furrow mounted class and a 2-furrow mounted class. And then our judges, we got 2 local gentlemen, and the other 4 come from not too far, Sherborne, not far away. I think it's great that in this day and age you still see the old-fashioned kit coming out. The ploughmen are really keen, and they enjoy it. You know, today, you know, we've organised it. It's a lot of organising, not one grizzle. You know, they're all happy. The other thing we do, all the money that's raised, half of it is going to the Dorset and Somerset Air Ambulance, and the other half is going to the College Charitable Foundation. So we don't give any prize money. Obviously we do a draw, but the draw prizes are sponsored by dealers and other individuals, so that works well.
thank you so much for coming along today. The weather's held up really well for you, and it's really good to see so many people here on our land again ploughing, and I know several of you come quite a long way, so we really appreciate that. So on behalf of all of us at Kingston Maurward, thank you very much. I hope you had a really good day and have a safe journey home.